Who don't have flood insurance may want to invest in it now. FEMA encouraging all Californians to add this to their policies. Kelly Johnson was on a conference call with FEMA earlier today and also spoke with local insurance agents. And Kelly, what did they have to say?
Tim, they're sending a message loud and clear. They're saying now is the time to invest in flood insurance with El Niño around the corner. They're urging everyone to do this now before it's too late.
Now is the time for folks across California and really across the country, but I'm focused today on the California side, to take steps to protect themselves.
The time is now. In a conference call, FEMA said they encourage everyone to invest in the flood insurance. They're saying that time is now because these policies typically take 30 days to kick in, and winter is just around the corner.
I knew something was going on once we started looking at the news, and there was a lot of conversation about El Niño.
Insurance agent James Banks has noticed an increase of flood insurance inquiries at his Bakersfield office.
Their home insurance policy is great, but the flood insurance will cover that in cases of a flood, but the home insurance will not.
Last week's storm was a wake-up call to many of us here in Kern County. It's been a drought-stricken area for years, but the drought has made us more prone to flood damage.
We're also very mindful that the extreme drought that has been in place creates a ground that cannot easily absorb that rainwater, which increases the possibility of flash flooding.
In an effort to increase awareness and find how at risk, floodsmart.gov, where you can type in your home address to see if you're in a high-risk flood zone.
In Kern County, we have several, pretty much Lamont and the city of Arvin are the main ones here.
Golden Hills, McFarland, and Shafter are some of the other areas that can be considered high risk. Flood insurance typically covers what your home insurance would, with some exceptions. And depending on your policy, the insurance may not cover damage caused by mudslides. Yet FEMA is spreading the message now to give people time before El Niño kicks in.
Even if you get it and something hits within those 30 days, you're not going to be covered even though you paid your premiums.
If you're renting a property, flood insurance usually isn't covered and it often falls into the responsibility of the tenant. However, insurance agents believe it isn't a bad idea to get individual coverage just in case. For links on those online flood resources, we have them on our website, turn23.com. Reporting in studio, Kelly Johnson, 23 ABC.